Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can customize the appearance of a table of contents in Word. When a table of contents is created by Word, it simply applies the default table of contents styles like TOC1, TOC2, and so on. You can alter the appearance of these styles to change the appearance of the text within a table of contents. To do this, click into the table of contents to modify. Then click the Table of Contents button in the Table of Contents button group on the References tab in the ribbon. Then choose the Custom Table of Contents command from the button's drop-down menu. Doing that then opens the Table of Contents dialog box and displays the Table of Contents tab. Since you can only change the appearance of the default Table of Contents styles associated with the document's template, ensure the Formats drop-down in the General section towards the bottom of this tab is set to From Template. To change the appearance of the default table of contents styles associated with the template, click the Modify button to view the Style dialog box. In the Style dialog box, click the name of the table of contents style to modify in the Styles list. A preview of the style's font then appears at the bottom of the Style dialog box. Click the Modify button to the right of the style to open the Modify Style dialog box, where you can edit the formatting of the selected TOC style. In the Modify Style dialog box, you can make any formatting changes to apply them to the selected TOC style. When finished, click the OK button to return to the Style dialog box. Then repeat this process to modify any necessary TOC styles. After modifying the TOC styles, click the OK button to return to the Table of Contents dialog box. The changes you made appear in the Print Preview section at the top of this dialog box. At that point, click the OK button in the Table of Contents dialog box to create the table of contents with your custom TOC styles.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.